Well, hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're seeing this. John here from High Country Hope in Boone, Blowing Rock, North Carolina, the High Country. It's day 157. It's been over 5 months of storm recovery. I've not been able to make a video in like 10 days or over a week. And this one's going to be real short, but I had a couple of people reach out to me today and go, "You guys still going? You guys okay? Where's the videos?" And as I've said in some former videos, we are wide open. Been too busy to make a video. The good news is that I video stuff every day. I take footage every day everywhere we go. But I'm working on a really cool video. The next real video, this is real, but the next long intentional video I'll put out, I can't wait for you to meet Melinda Williams. I'll drop her picture in here. Amazing woman we met this week. Her story is gonna blow your mind. I cried, of course, and she cried, but she is a walking miracle, and her story is mind-bending. I won't give it away here, but I'll have that out shortly. And we took her a load of furniture to go in her new house because her last house did not make it, and it's a miracle she did. She was in it, but you'll hear about that. We have had a very busy week. We've had some cool people here, new people we met, and old friends. Dave Perry's been back from Tellico Plains, Tennessee. Can't get enough. He keeps coming back for more. Love you, Dave. Appreciate you. We had Tom, I hope I'm saying your name right, Saucy from Florida. Came up and worked with us. His wife works with Samaritan's Purse, or is beginning to, and Tom spent 3 days working on the 1897 house for Denton and Kendall. And then, of course, Jim and Jess Franz have been here from New York, and Jim has done everything, and Jess has done everything. We love you, and we miss you. They had to go back Saturday to New York. They were here for almost a month. Both of them are going to be working remotely to help us and continue a lot of the great work that they accomplished with getting stuff put in spreadsheets and streamlined and categorized, and so we can keep up with stuff. We had Brother Randy Stinner in town again from West Palm Beach, Florida. We had 3 days of meetings with local, state, regional, and national leaders, church leaders, nonprofit leaders, government people, and working on funding and development there for getting to do more stuff and bigger stuff and have more money to do it with. So anyway, I wanted you all to get an update, especially since people are reaching out going, "Where's the videos?" We're okay. We're still here. We're hard at it. 7 days a week. I took half a day off to go to church service this morning and took a Sunday afternoon nap. The new website's up. Let's see if you can see that or not. highcountryhope.com. Thank you, Dave Phillips and Reader, for working on that. And you can go on there and sign up for help if you need help. There's a one-page form you can fill out, and we will come help you. And soon there's going to be a volunteer. They're working on a volunteer page as well. If you want to volunteer, you can go on the website and fill out a one-page form and come help us. We'll put you to work. It'll be a great time for you and a great time for the people you get to help. There's places to donate on the website. That helps. Again, I always say thank you for the prayers, the encouraging words, the encouraging comments, some of your phone calls, and that keeps us going. I've cried multiple times this week hearing people's stories and talking to people, and it's just real fresh in their memories, and people have been through unthinkable tragedies, and a lot of people still suffering that way, you know. So anyway, hope you're doing great. Hope things are well where you are, and keep looking up. And I've been reminded, I may have said it in the last videos, 1 Corinthians 12:12, talking about love, and then at the end of that passage it says, "And these three remain, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love." And I know you can love people, and I can love people everywhere we go every day. Some of this is overwhelming. A lot of it's overwhelming, but I can go and do what's in front of me at Lowe's or Cracker Barrel or the washed out valley I'm in and cry with that person and just love people. And it goes a long way. So I love you. I appreciate you. Look for that video, hopefully midweek, of the story of Melinda Williams. It's gonna amaze you. Better have a box of tissues. Love you. Good night.